Hi guys, in this video we will see how to check your heart rate using the Apple Watch and how to monitor your heart rate directly from your wrist. You will learn how to use the heart rate app, understand BPM readings and view your heart rate history in the Apple Health Settings app. Here are the process. Go to your Apple Watch, go to your app section, here scroll down and you will find an app naming heart rate. Tap on it. Heart rate shows you current heart rate and daily summarized view your history in the health app on your iPhone or iPad. So tap on next. Now put the watch on your wrist so that Apple Watch could measure your heart rate. Now you can see Apple Watch measuring your heart rate. Wait few seconds and current heart rate you will see it will slightly change as per your heart condition. That's all.